This video is brought to you by manscaped.com. My dear friends, I have to be really honest with you. Christmas came early for me this year. Manscaped just gifted me their new performance package. They are already known for making the best tools and solutions, perfect for all those grooming needs. And ladies, this may look like a gift for him, but it's actually a gift for you. So give him the gift of smoothness this season. Now let's take a look at the performance package. I really love the packaging, it looks amazing. You will just need to put a bow on it and it will be ready to go under the Christmas tree. But as I know from experience, the real treat is always inside. Well, my dear friends, with this performance package, Manscaped has you covered from head to toe. Here we have their bestseller, the 4th generation lawnmower 4.0. Just look at this beauty. It's a waterproof, cordless, electric body trimmer that incorporates advanced skin-safe technology. This means that you can confidently trim the bush without the fear of breaking any bulbs or cutting any wires. Then we have the Weed Whacker, which seems to be a nose and hair trimmer from the looks of it. This is a perfect solution for all those unruly nose hair, as its unique rotary blade system helps reduce tugging and tears on Christmas morning. It's a perfect gift for dad and grandpa. The last thing that's included is a crop preserver, an anti-shaving clear deodorant gel with the Crop Reviver Ball Toner Spray for a cool and refreshing feel. Finally, my friends, in honor of the season of giving, Manscaped has attached on every purchase of the performance package, they are giving away the sheet travel bag and their signature anti-shaving briefs. Gift on gifts, right? So order today and get 25% off. It's the biggest holiday sale of the year, so do not miss out.